am Dr. Ken Wu. I'm your allergist immunologist that is trying to educate everyone on the importance of proper nutrition. I think nowadays the science is very clear on the importance of proper nutrition in terms of health benefits. We found that poor nutrition, lack of vitamins and minerals had led to an increase in incidence of cancers, cardiovascular disease, and even diabetes. Far more important is currently the changing global landscape as well as the climate change. With global warming, we're seeing increased levels of CO2. While you will see increased plant growth, unfortunately, we will not see the nutritional benefits. Science and data is now suggesting and showing that crops and vegetables that are being grown in the current high CO2 climate actually has less vitamins and minerals. We have also practiced intensive farming for the past few decades to increase the food supply chain into the world. Unfortunately, increase in quantity does not equal to increase in quality. What we found that previously 30-40 years ago, where the recommendations was to eat one proper serving of vegetables is enough to provide adequate vitamins, nutrition, and minerals for healthy living, currently is inadequate. Perhaps we might even need 5 to 6 servings of vegetables in order to get the nutritional adequacy of the recommendations in the past. With this in mind, we have developed, upon consultation with CellX, to come up with nutritional therapy to improve your health through supplementation as well as proper dosing and proper medical science to guide us so that you can have a much better and healthier life. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, I'm Juliana and now I'm at Dr. Ken Wu Clinics in Gleneagles. Hello Dr. Ken.
Hi,
how are you? I'm
Good
fine.
to see you.
Yes, so glowing. Yeah. Okay, so now we would like to know about about IV drips. You know, we know a lot IV drips outside there. We don't know whether it's good or not. So now we wanted to tell everybody about what is actually good about this IV drip. So, can you tell me about CellX Intravenous Drip Therapy? What is it actually?
Sure. CellX Intravenous Therapy use me as an allergist immunologist as a consultant to design their drips.
Okay.
And what we use these drips is to focus on the immune system as well as to build health benefits for whoever receives it.
Yes.
So this is a very proprietary drip and it uses the latest medical technology as well as IV nutritional benefits with clinical publications to help these people who are receiving these IV drips to improve their health, improve their skin, improve their physiology. So that's the idea behind the CellX IV drip therapy.
Doctor, we have some issue because I'm a Muslim. So we wanted to know what we infuse into our bodies. Is it halal? So what kind of when we put inside our body, is it halal? Is it good for us? So can you explain for us?
Sure. I'm glad you asked that question because it's very, very important.
Yes.
I want to first reassure everybody that all the products and ingredients that are used in the CellX infusion therapy protocol are not derived from any animal origin.
Yes.
So I hope that really helps reassure everyone out there who's listening into this and also reassure potential people who are considering this IV nutritional therapy. Second, I also want to reassure everyone that every one of these products are actually registered with the Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia.
Yes.
That can give a further reassurance as to the safety.
Very important.
Yes, very important. The safety as well as the source of the IV nutritional products and vitamins and minerals that you'll be receiving.
Correct.
Now, it's also important to understand that halal certifications differ from country to country.
Yes.
some of these products are actually imported
Okay.
by approved distributors from Malaysia. So they will undergo their own halal certification from the country of origin. The vitamins and minerals that are available here in Malaysia, that are manufactured here in Malaysia, will absolutely have the Malaysian halal certification. So I hope that reassures you.
Yeah, so we don't have to worry. So for those my Muslim friends, so it's halal, so you should get it, okay? So you must be quite curious what type of IV that you offer.
Okay, well, we have a wide range of IV infusion therapy. I can name a few. Some of the things that I've been working with CellX therapy includes IV infusion therapy to improve the immune system, improve the body's functioning, improve the metabolism.
Ooh, that's
And
good.
for those who are very interested to improve skin health,
Yes, like me.
yes, you are already very beautiful.
Oh, thank
So-
you, Dr. Ken.
You're very welcome.
Okay.
Now, this infusion therapy, what it does is for those who are receiving it for skin health, it improves their complexion.
Yes.
It improves skin turgor in terms of elasticity, reduce some of the wrinkles,
Oh, yes.
as well
Oh,
as
yes.
those
Oh, yes.
oxidation stress in our daily lives.
yes.
So if you go on in your daily lives, you get exposed to pollution, smoke, maybe your diet is not so healthy.
Oh, yes.
So you generate all these free radicals in your body. And what these free radicals, these pollutants do, it interferes with your skin development and maturation, and it can cause pigmentation.
Yes.
So this infusion therapy will help your body combat that. So you have the best possible outcome for your skin.
So like regenerate.
Absolutely.
Oh my god, I can't wait for it, guys. Okay, so what is the best age for doing all the strips?
There is no best age, really.
Okay.
I think the moment that you want to start looking younger and feeling better is when you should start. Really, we actually start aging. If you look at the data, we start aging from day one after we are born, really.
Yes.
But we don't notice the signs of aging generally until you are 25 years old and above. And the reason is our regenerative capabilities from our body. When you're younger, it's much better than the environmental stressors. But as we age, these cells, your body's ability to regenerate gets less over time. And so environmental stresses go up, your nutrition is not good,
Yes.
your stresses increase,
Yes.
your diet is not good,
Yes.
and so you see the signs of aging.
Diet is like fat lah.
Yes. Well, there are good fats and bad fats.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we are in our normal diet, we're actually eating more bad fats than good
Yes,
fats.
doctor.
So hopefully this infusion therapy, the aim is to try and correct these imbalances that we have in our normal daily living
Yes.
to give you an optimal outcome.
Okay, so if you guys want to get like glowing face, you want to get your stress level going down, don't go up, you should contact us. Okay, but before that, I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to know how quickly they can feel after they did this trip.
Pretty much immediately. These drips are designed for instantaneous infusion in the body, and your
Okay.
body, the moment it receives it, will start working and utilizing this. Imagine your body as a machine, and these drips contain the fuel.
Okay.
So this fuel, number one, cleans the engine, so it functions better. It provides the proper fuel, so the engine works better.
Yes.
So you will start to feel the benefits immediately. You will see peak benefits within 2 days, and it can last up to 1 to 2 weeks depending on your underlying general health. And the idea is the healthier you are, the longer you see the benefits. And if you want to continue to receive the benefits, you should have repeated infusions of this nutritional therapy.
Yes, that's good. So means like if I do take this IV trip, so how long it takes to infuse?
Okay. It depends. certain drip infusion might take as quickly as 15 minutes to 10 minutes
okay.
even, right?
I thought it takes so long, doctor.
Some of them might take longer. There are certain infusions where we have to infuse more vitamins and minerals into you. That might take up to 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Yes.
So the more vitamins and minerals, the longer it takes.
Okay.
And there is most importantly is to do it safe, right? So we safely infuse it at the rate where your body can receive it. Rather than to speed things up, we want to do it properly and safe in a proper environment so you get the best benefits.
Alright, so I do have this question, doctors. There's also an oral intake also. So
Yes.
what is the advantage of taking this, having an IV? So IV infusion versus the oral one?
Okay. Well, oral, you do have to chew it and it has to go through your digestive tract and you have to have it absorbed into your body.
The supplements things, right, doctor?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Unfortunately, through the oral gastrointestinal route, the absorption might not be 100%.
Yes, guys.
If you infuse it, you're going to get everything into the infusion right into your body. So there are rate limiting factors.
Okay.
If you look at antioxidants, certain vitamins and minerals, our normal diet, with what we normally eat in our normal diet, it does not contribute to adequate nutrition. And your absorption of it is low to begin with. And if you even have it less in your diet, you're not able to utilize this completely. So IV infusion bypasses all the issues. So you get the proper dosing.
Okay, that's the benefit, huh?
Absolutely,
Okay.
proper dosing. You get it straight delivered into your body intravenously. So you do not have the absorption issue.
Okay.
And third is infused at a rate where your body can utilize it properly and safely. That's the most important thing.
Most important, safely. Yes.
Each of these CellX infusion was coordinated carefully with me, and we use the best current medical protocols to ensure that the proper dosing is used based on your requirements. So each infusion is actually tailored to your particular needs.
Yes.
So when you come in and you see the CellX personnel, they will first do a medical interview to have an idea of what is the most appropriate treatment for you.
Oh, that's good. Means that we have all the consultations, so don't have worry about that. And okay, as a woman, we have this kind of a mens every month. So if let's say I got that mens, then I go and take IV. Is it any problems?
Yes. In Asia, we have a lot of pantang larang or forbidden things to do during the menstruation and during the period. But actually, when we do this infusion therapy, there is no contraindication. In fact, some of these vitamins and minerals will help relieve some of the cramping and the pain and the discomfort that you feel during that particular difficult time. Because we found that when you have lacking in certain vitamins and minerals, the periods tends to be heavier.
Yes, correct.
There are more cramps.
Yes.
And you have more bloating and discomfort.
Yes.
So clinical evidence have shown that with proper nutritional balance, you can minimize the symptoms.
So there's any side effects if let's say we're taking this infusion, sometimes they have problem with their medical conditions.
Yes. So therefore, it's very important to go to a proper medical practitioner. So in this CellX infusion protocol, you get a proper medical evaluation first, so that we know if you have any underlying kidney problems or liver problems or any underlying heart problems, so that the proper infusion therapy can be recommended to you to get the proper vitamins and minerals. So with this in mind, you're going to have the best possible outcome. It's very important to understand that every procedure has its benefits, but there's also risk.
Okay.
So what we plan to do is minimize the risk to something that is negligible. Some of the common things that you will experience that might be a problem will be pain at the infusion site. That is the most common.
Yes.
Sometimes you might get some bruising, but that usually goes away within 2 or 3 days. So I want everyone to rest assured that we use the best medical protocol in a proper facility where all things will be anticipated. In case something happens, we have everything to help.
Yeah, so don't have to worry, okay? But there's also an issue that call it overdose issue.
Yes.
You know, like, does it happens?
Yes, in those nutritional therapy or vitamin infusions, there are places that offer them and they do not follow the protocol, the clinical protocol. And in these instances, you can get side effects like overdose. So the CellX protocol ensures that the nutritional benefits, the nutritional dosing is proper for your age, for your weight, as well as your medical problems if you have any, so that you don't encounter anything such as overdose.
Okay guys, so you have to listen to Dr. Ken Wu about the CellX intravenous therapies, IV. So this is very good. So you already know everything about it. We will check it out after this.